Good morning, students. Hope you all are good and safe at home. We are doing geometric progressions. Let's proceed this topic. Let's do one question. Find the three numbers in GP whose sum is 19 and their product is 260. Okay. Now we need to find the three numbers in GP. When the author is asking about the three numbers in GP, NOS is a short form of numbers. Three numbers in GP. Then you need to take A by R, A and AR if product is given. If product is given. Why I am taking this condition that if product is given, then take these three numbers, because whenever the product is given in the question, even in this question product is given which is 216. If product is 200 is equals to 16, but you are watching that R is cancel out with R, then here we have A cube is equals to 216. That means we can directly find the value of A. So it reduces the calculation if we are taking these three numbers A by R, A and AR. So whenever product is not given, so instead of taking these three numbers, whenever the product is not given, then take A, AR and AR cube. So if the product is not given, take these three numbers. If product is given, take these three numbers in GP. Only one reason is there, that if product is given, if you are taking these three numbers, it reduces the calculation and you directly can find the value of A. So if product is not given, so by taking these three numbers, the calculations will become little bit complex. So instead of taking those three numbers, take these three numbers whenever if product is not given. If product is not given. So hope the criteria is clear. Whenever the product is given, take these three numbers A by R, A and AR. If product is not given, take these three numbers A, AR, AR square. The only one reason is there, that it reduces the calculation. Now let's do one question. Find the three numbers in GP. So three numbers in GP are A by R, A and AR. I am taking these three numbers because product is given. So sum is 19. A by R plus A plus AR is equals to 19. Can I take A as common? 1 by R plus 1 plus R equals to 19. Another one is product is 216. A by R multiply A multiply AR. It is 216. So R will cancel out with R, which is A cube. Can I make the factors of 216? 2 1s are 2, 2 0s are 10, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So you are watching its factors are 2 raised to power 3 and 3 raised to power 3. So it is 2 into 3, 4 raised to power 3. A cube is equals to 6 cube. If the powers are equal, then bases can be equalized. A's value is equals to 6. So value of A is equals to 6. We find the value of A. Now, if this is your first equation, can I substitute the value of A in first? Put in 1. So what I will get? 6 into 1 by R plus 1 plus R is equals to 9. When the 6 go to this side, it becomes it will go with division symbol. So 19 by 6. 1 by R plus 1 plus R's value is 19 by 6. We find the value of A, which is 6. I am writing on top because we will use this later on. Now, after taking LCM, what I will get? 1 plus R square, 4 raised to power R is equals to 19 by 6. Then after cross multiplication, it becomes 6 plus 6R square is equals to 19R. When this 19R will come to left hand side, it becomes minus 19R. So it becomes 6 hours minus 19 hours, which is minus 13 hours plus 6 is equals to 0. 6 6 is 36. 9 plus 4 13. Okay. Minus 9 hour minus 4 hour plus 6 equals to 0. So can I take 3 hour as common from these two terms? So 3 hour 2 hour minus 3, and can I take minus 2 as common? So 2 hour minus 3. So there are two values of r, which is 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. There are two values of r, 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. Now we have the value of r, we have the value of a, which is 6. So can we find the numbers? A is equals to 6 and r is equals to 2 by 3. The numbers are a by r, 6 upon 2 by 3, plus 6 into, reciprocate the term 2 by 3, which is 3 by 2, 2 3 is 6, it is 9 a. A is equals to 6 in a r, which is 6 into 2 by 3, it is 4. Now if a is equals to 6 and r is equals to 2 by 3, the numbers are 9, 6 and 4. Now a is equals to 6 and r is equals to, another value is 3 by 2. So the numbers are a by r, which is 6 by 3 by 2, which is 6 into 2 by 3, it is 4. A's value is 6, a r, 6 into 3 by 2, which is 9. So if the a is equals to 6 and r is equals to 3 by 2, then the numbers are 4, 6 and 9. But you are watching, the numbers are just reciprocating. Here's the number are 4, 6 and 9. Here's the numbers are in reversing order, 9, 6 and 4. Just because of one reason, that in both sides a's value is same, and r, here r is 3 by 2 and here r is 2 by 3, which is the reciprocal of 3 by 2. This is only one reason that here's a number, if 4, 6 and 9 is in ascending order, then it is in descending order. It means that means in reversing order, 9, 4, 9, 6 and 4. Hope this question is clear to you. Let's do one more question. Now another question is, find the three numbers in GP whose sum is 21 and sum of their squares is 181. So here's the product is not given. So we'll take the numbers. The three numbers in GP. A, AR and AR square. Now the sum is 21. A plus AR plus AR square is equals to 21. Can I take A as common? 1 plus R square is equals to 21. Take it as 1 and sum of their squares. That means A square, its square is A square, its square is A square, R square, and AR square is whole square. A square and R square is R is to power 4, and it is 189. Can I take A square as common? 1 plus R square plus R is to power 4 is equals to 189. So this is the second equation. A square 1 plus R square plus R is to power 4 is equals to 189. So this is your second equation. Now but R square. Now what you are watching, here's the power, maximum power is 2, but here's the maximum power is 4. So the question is going a little bit complex. So to reduce the calculation, what I am doing, you can do even, you can divide the terms, or you can find the value of A, and you can substitute the value of A by taking from first, you can substitute in second equation. So you can do, but that means the calculation is going tougher than now what I am doing. It is little bit easier than directly substituting. So what I am doing, 1 plus R square plus R is to power 4. Can I write minus r square is equals to plus r square. Why I am doing? It is 1 plus 2r square plus r square square. Can I write r is to the power 4 and r square separate minus r square. Now, what you are watching, if can I write 1 as 1 square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. The formula is आपने given. It is a plus b whole square. This is your a square 1 square. B is nothing, your r square square. B square plus 2 into 1 into r square, which is 2ab. So a plus b whole square formula minus r square. Now you are watching that here's and again identity is using a square minus b square. What is this? A plus b and a minus b. So 1 plus r square plus r is to the power 4. Can I write as 1 plus r square plus r into 1 plus r square minus r? I will substitute this value in 2. Becomes, this is a symbol of becomes, 2 becomes a square 1 plus r square plus r into 1 plus r square minus r is equals to 189. Now this is your third equation. Now, but you are watching that here a into 1 plus r square we have already there. So can I write a square as a into a? So its value is already there, which is 21. A into 1 plus r square minus r into 21 is equals to 189. So you have a into 1 plus r square minus r. 189 divided by 21. 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14, 7 7s are 49, 3 9s are 27. It is 9. Now you have the value a into 1 plus r square minus r is equals to 9. This is your fourth equation. Okay, beta. Now this is your fourth equation, and the first equation was, what was first? It was a into 1 plus r square is equals to 21. So if I will divide these two terms, a will cancel out with a and I will get the one equation which is in r only. So I am dividing 4 divided by 1. 9 by 21. A into 1 plus r square. A will cancel out with a. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. So can I do cross multiplication here? So after cross multiplication, what will get? It is 7 plus 7r square minus 7r equals to 3 plus 3r plus 3r square. So when all these three terms come to this side, it will change the sign. It is minus 3r square equals to 0. It is 7r square minus 3r square, which is 4r square, 7r minus 3r, which is minus 10r plus 4 equals to 0. Minus 8r minus 2r plus 4 equals to 0. So can I take 4 as common from these two terms? 4r. It is r minus 2 and minus 2 as common for next two terms, r minus 2. So what I get? R's value is 2. So I am getting the r here's r value is 2 and again here's r value is 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. I'll get the two values of r. Now, in first equation, if I will substitute, then I'll get the value of a. So, what was the first equation? 1 plus r square is equals to 21. This was your first equation. So, if I will substitute r is equals to 2, but I'll get 1 plus 2 plus 4. It is 7, 7 3s are 21. So a's value is 3. When r is equals to 2, then a is equals to 3. So if r is equals to 1 by 2, then a is I'm taking LCM. 4 plus 2 plus 1, it is 7 by 4. When it goes to right hand side, it becomes 4 by 7, it is 12. So we have the two values of r, then two values of a. The first one is a is equals to 12 and r is equals to 1 by 2. And second one is a is equals to 3 and r is equals to 2. Can we find the numbers? The first number is a, next number is AR, and last number is AR square. So it is 3. Now here it is. First number is 3 AR, 3 into 2 which is 6, and AR square 3 into 4 which is 12. So the numbers are 12, 6 and 3, and here the number are 3, 6 and 12. Just in reversing order, just because of here's the R is equals to 1 by 2, and here it is reciprocal of 1 by 2. So we have three numbers where if A is equals to 12 and R is equals to 1 by 2, then the values are 12, 6 and 3. If A is equals to 3 and R is equals to 2, the numbers are 3, 6 and 12. Hope this question is clear to you. Let's do one more question. The question is, the sum of three numbers which are consecutive terms of an AP is 21. Okay, the three numbers, he is asking about the three numbers which are consecutive terms of an AP, and its sum is 21. So three numbers in AP are three numbers in AP are A minus T, A and A plus T. So its sum is 21. The sum of three numbers is 21. So A minus T plus A plus A plus T is equals to 21. So D will cancel out with D. 3A is equals to 21 and we'll get A's value is equals to 7. Now, if the second number is reduced by 1, the second number is A minus 1, and the third number is increased by 1. Third number is A plus D. A plus D plus 1. Second number is reduced by 1 and third number is increased by 1, and first number remains as it is. Thus he is not asking about any number, any change in first number. He is asking about the change in second number, which is reduced by 1, and third number is increased by 1. So first number is as it is. So these three numbers form consecutive terms of AP are in GP. Now these three numbers are in GP. So if they are in GP, so I need to find the number. These are in GP. That means the ratios are common. A minus 1. Okay, first of all, we'll substitute the value of A because we have already found out the value of A. So 7 minus 1 which is 6. 7 plus D plus 1 which is 8 plus D are in GP. Okay, now if it is in GP, that means the ratio is common. So 6 upon 7 minus D is equals to 8 plus D upon 6. After cross multiplication, but we will get 6 6 are 36. and multiply with 8. 7 minus d will multiply with 8 plus d. 56 plus 7d minus 8d. 7 8s are 56, 7d minus 8d. Then minus d square. Okay. So what I'll get 56 is 36 is equals to 56 minus d square. So d square plus d minus 20 is equals to 0. So we'll apply middle term splitting and find the value of d. D minus 4d is equals to minus 20 is equals to 0. D plus 5. So there are two values of d. One is 4 and one is minus 5. We have the value of a, we have the value of d. Now a is equals to 7 and d is equals to 4. A is equals to 7 and d is equals to minus 5. Can we find the numbers? Because he wanted find these numbers. So the numbers were a minus d, a and a plus d. So what is a minus d? 7 minus 4, which is 3. A is 7, 7 plus 4. It is 11. The numbers are 3, 7 and 11. So a minus d, a and a plus d. What is a minus d? Minus of minus plus 5. It is 12. A is 7. A plus d. 12, 7, 2. So the numbers are 3, 7 and 11 or 12, 7, 2. Hope this question is clear to you. Let's do one more question. The next question is, if a and b are the roots of x square minus 3x plus p equals to 0 and c and d are the roots of x square minus 12x plus q equals to 0. Also a, b, c, d are in GP. We need to prove this very ratio, q plus p ratio q minus p is equals to 7 ratio 15. It's important question, but I just do it thoroughly and carefully. Now, the first condition is a, b, c, d are in GP. A, B, C, D are in GP. If they are in GP, this is your first term is A1 is A, second term is AR, its formula is AR and second term is B. So B is equals to AR. Second term is B, which is AR. Third term is C, and C I can write C as AR square and D is your fourth term, which is AR cube. So we have the four terms A, B, C and D. A is first term, B is your second term. I can write as AR, C I can write as AR square, D I can write as AR cube. So these are in GP. Again, now the second condition is A and B are the roots of x square minus 3x plus p equals to 0. We have this equation. A and B are its root. A and B are its roots. So sum of roots formula is minus b by a. You already did it in 10th class. Sum of roots is minus b by a. What is minus b? That means minus of minus 3, which is 3 by a, which is 1. A plus b is equals to 3, or you can write x square minus sx plus p is equals to 0. You can compare with this equation x square minus sx plus p. So sum of roots is 3 and product of root is small p. So what is A? A is A, and can I write B as AR is equals to 3? Can I take A as common? 1 plus R is equals to 3. And here A into AR is equals to P, A square R is equals to P. We have these equations. Now, the third equation is, the second equation is x square minus 12x plus q equals to 0. When we compare with this equation, x square minus sx plus p equals to 0, what is the sum of roots? Yes, the roots are c and d. So sum of roots is equals to 12 and product of roots is equals to q. What is c? It is third term of GP, AR square, and D is AR cube, which is 12. Can I take AR square as common? 1 plus R is equals to 12. C into D, AR square into AR cube is equals to Q. A square, basis same, powers will add, is equals to Q. This is your first equation, second equation, third equation, fourth equation. Well, now we have 4 equations. Now, okay beta, we need to find this ratio Q plus P, ratio Q minus P. I am erasing this statement. We need Q plus P upon Q minus P. What is Q? It is A square R raised to power 5 plus P, A square R. Now, A square R raised to power 5 minus A square R. Can I take A square as common? A square R as common. So here I will get R raised to power 4 plus 1 and A square R. When I will get common, then it is R raised to power 4 minus 1. A square will cancel out with A square and R will cancel out with R. Now we have R raised to power 4 plus 1 upon R raised to power 4 minus 1. Now we need the value of R so that we can find the ratio. This is your fifth equation. We need the value of R now. Now what you are watching, we already used 2 equations, second and fourth, but we have 2 more equations, first and third. When we will divide it, we can find the value of R from here. So 3 divided by 1. AR square 1 plus R upon A into 1 plus R. 12 upon 3. A will cancel out with A, 1 plus R will cancel out with R. R square's value is equals to 4. So you will get the R square's value is equals to 4. We need the value of R raised to power 4. So if R square is equals to 4, squaring both sides, R raised to power 4 is equals to 16. So can I substitute the value of R raised to power 4 in fifth equation? So Q plus P upon Q minus P. What is Q? R raised to power, its ratio is equals to R raised to power 4, which is 16 plus 1 and 16 minus 1. 17 by 15. We need its ratio, so we will change it in the ratio. 17 ratio 15. Hope this question is clear to you. So do these questions carefully. Little bit not I can say tricky, I can say little bit lengthy, but if interest creates, then these questions are really easy. So just do it 1 or 2 times, then and you'll easily get to know that which step is you have to done, and with which step you can do it. The calculations are more easier. This is just the calculation based question. So I'm sending one assignment related with these questions. So do it. If you have any problem, then you can contact. Till then, stay home and be happy. Thank you so much.